Snow Chains Explained, a handy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase, snow chains. This might be a new term for many of you, especially if you live in a place where it doesn't snow. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what snow chains are, but also how to use this term in your conversations. Let's dive in. Snow chains are devices made of metal or other durable materials, designed to be wrapped around the tires of vehicles. They are used to increase traction when driving through snow and ice. Imagine a tire slipping on a snowy road. Snow chains help prevent that by gripping the surface. It's a simple yet effective solution to a common problem in snowy regions. The concept of snow chains dates back to the early 1900s. They were invented to provide vehicles with better stability and safety in winter conditions. Today, they are mandatory in some regions during winter months. If you're discussing a winter scene or a journey in a snowy area in an English conversation, mentioning snow chains can add realism and depth to your narrative. While snow chains is a straightforward term, it can appear in various contexts. For example, you might hear someone say, "Don't forget to put on the snow chains before heading up the mountain," which emphasizes preparation for a snowy drive. Or, "The roads were so slippery. The snow chains didn't help much," indicating extreme weather conditions. Understanding these contexts helps grasp the nuances of English usage. And that's a wrap on snow chains. We hope this video has been enlightening and has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language involves understanding both simple and complex terms, and everything in between. Stay curious and keep learning, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more fluent in English. Until next time, happy learning!